Is there any way that which we can speed up vaccine development in the face of an outbreak? And John, you might also want to sort of follow that up with, you know, how can we rapidly deploy new vaccines and make sure they're safe? So Malik?
Yeah, so if, for example, if we're talking about influenza vaccines, unfortunately, we are still largely reliant on methods of making vaccines that have been used for the last 70 years. We have tried to compress these timelines somewhat, but probably there's a limit to what more can be done. There are new strategies such as cell-based vaccines, which may be faster to some extent, the use of recombinant vaccines based on sequence rather than the virus isolate, which may have some advantages. But then, of course, there's the holy grail that people are now looking to, although it's not very near on the horizon, which is universal vaccines, which will try to cover unexpected influenza virus subtypes as well. Certainly, it's an area that we need to try to pursue. Now, in terms of other emerging infections, we have a much bigger problem because the conventional channels, such as Big Pharma, have no commercial interest. I mean, to make an Ebola vaccine or to make a MERS vaccine, for example. So really, we need new funding models to deal with that threat. And I think there are organizations such as CEPI working with WHO and other funders trying to address this, because you need a different funding model to make these vaccines, which might never be needed, but if we need them, we'll really need them very quickly, or ideally have them on the shelf.